This is the reason most aspiring YouTubers quit before they even start, even though you already got everything, all your script or video down on the paper. From the time you have to press record, all your ideas vanish from your mind. Hey, what up, fellow creators? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie, and this channel is all about giving you guys some free 100% working strategies here. Level up your YouTube channel performances. Today in this video, we're gonna uncover the lie your brain is telling you that makes the camera feels intimidating. More importantly, I'm gonna give you guys a simple trick to overcome this. By the end of this video, you will never be afraid of being on the camera ever again. Let's dive in. Very often as a new content creator, when you're just starting out and you want to make the first video, there are three critical questions that pops up in your mind. Should I write all my video script down on the paper? Should I memorize all my script and everything by heart? Should I utilize the teleprompter for my videos? You keep asking yourself hundreds and thousands of questions. And when you can't fix those questions, you just go ahead and try to shoot the videos one time, second time. You try it multiple times, try it over and over again. And when all the attempts on the camera turns out in a failure, as a result, you start doubting yourself, losing confidence, and then all the problems that stop you from being confident on the camera then creeps in. And today, I'm also going to show you how I did to have this confidence on the camera, and you're also going to do the same. Yeah, I already know this feeling because I was watching YouTube back in the time when I was recording my first videos. Or today, as far as you can see, I'm talking to you. I'm recording myself with 100% of confidence. So this is achievable, and I'm a living proof you can also overcome this. Well, first of all, you need to understand what is happening to you. This feeling you're having right now. This is comprehensible. This is understandable. This is normal. Because as I said, back in the time, I also used to be having this same feeling because just when I was starting out, I wasn't confident on the camera. However, today everything has become so different because. I believe maybe it's gonna take you some more time and some more practicing or exercises on the camera. Maybe you were just starting out, you're just a new starter, and this is the reason why. Maybe you don't know how to do it. So but don't you worry for that. This is not a big deal, okay? I'm gonna tell you, okay, the way to proceed to overcome this. But before that, a very important thing you have to keep in mind is content creation is a skill. Yeah, you already know the any skill has to be learned, practiced, repeated, developed, acquired, and over time, repeating this process over and over again, that's how you're gonna gain the skill. That's how you're gonna dominate the competence, and you're gonna get the skill. So now let's dive into the most interesting part of this video. I'm gonna tell you the 2 exact steps to follow to help you guys successfully record your videos on camera with 100% of confidence. The first way possible is utilizing a teleprompter. This is a tool that is mostly used by big channels, and it's generally a tool that shows that reflects the script of your videos maybe on the screen in real time, so you can see you can really simultaneously when you are recording yourself on the camera. So this can somehow facilitate the process of recording yourself because it gives you, as I say, the possibility to see the script of the videos on the screen and at the time you are recording yourself on the camera. However, this is not something that I would recommend, especially if you are a new starter, you are just starting out. I won't recommend utilizing a teleprompter because as a new starter, you are going to be more likely to sound robotic or like you're reading from a book. And this is gonna make you sound unnatural, and this is not good at all. If other way possible, this is the one that I recommend to new starters and new creators. This is the technique that I myself have been utilizing for recording this video, for recording my videos confidently on the camera. These techniques already work for me, and I give you the guarantee that it's gonna work for you as well. Just implement the following steps. So the very first step is you need to write the full script of your videos, and you don't have to utilize the teleprompter design. Because the most important thing here is to just write the script of your videos, and it's supposed to contain all the information and all the ideas you wish to talk about in your video. Now, second of all, try to identify the most essential information in your script. Try to identify and try to point it out, and then try to underline all the information that are most important in your script. Try to underline all of them. The first step is you're gonna proceed to some preparation. You're gonna proceed to some training. So you're gonna have to do some practice. You're gonna practice your script on the camera, okay? Maybe for a couple of days, a few little days, and then later on, after completing all the steps that I've just listed in this video, you're gonna go ahead and shoot the video because you're gonna be more confident. Okay, that's why I say you need to proceed to some preparations. Okay, you need to practice your script over and over again for a couple of days, and then later on you're gonna go ahead to shoot your videos. There's also a very important thing that I want to clarify. You actually don't need to memorize everything by heart. You don't have to repeat all the informations casually or by heart. This is not necessary, okay? Because this is gonna make you feel and sound, unnatural if you do it. So you don't have to memorize all the information, okay? So the most important thing to keep in mind is you just have to stick to the most essential information, the most essential part of your message, of your script. Just stick to it, and then you try to elaborate the ideas, gradually, and add some creativity to it, and just go at your own pace, at your own flow, and keep doing this over and over again. Then, well, you're gonna build the confidence, and you're gonna, gain more and more confidence, on the camera, over time.